The next section is financial literacy.
Yeah. So this next section is for Nicole. And so the first question is, what financial decisions made during college can have the biggest impact on your future after graduation?
So financial decisions in college that would have the biggest impact on your future is the amount of money that you save, and not necessarily like the money that you're saving in college is to be used for your future. It's just learning the habit of saving in college will help make that habit a lifestyle once you graduate. And also practicing spending your money on needs over wants is definitely a bigger factor once you graduate and you're more financially independent. You'll learn how to better spend your money when it comes to needs versus wants, which is where a lot of people end up wasting, even myself, where I struggle differentiating between whether I really need this purchase or just want it. But knowing the difference can help with the first few building blocks of financial literacy after graduation.
Yeah. Our next question is, how can students balance enjoying their college experience with managing their finances responsibly?
So I'd say the first major thing is budgeting, assessing how much money you have or are earning and the amount of cost that you think you may be enduring for I would say about every single month. Every month you should budget out or have an idea of like the events that you want to go to, or if you need to do shopping, or just planning in advance. And also spending within your means. Like if you're working while going to school, you should make sure that you're not spending more than you're earning. That's like a major thing to also avoid debt. And participating in cost efficient plans, not always going out and not always going out with like your friends, and it's like to concerts every so often, because those type of things add up. Even a lot of times when you go out for food, it could be, especially right now, it could be like $20 here, $20 there. And even though in the moment it doesn't seem like a lot, over time it adds up really quickly. And when you look back at how much you've spent, you can start to realize and regret the things that you probably didn't really need to go out and partake in just so that you could save.
Yeah, I agree. Our next question is, what are some warning signs that someone may be developing unhealthy spending habits?
So my response is coming both from what I have observed and what I have experienced myself. Spontaneous spending. A lot of times in college, whenever you plan to go out or do something, a lot of times it's spontaneous. For me and my friends, especially second semester, we would like find out that a concert is happening within a week or two or even week of, and just spontaneously choose to spend money and buy a ticket, and that really will deplete your pockets fast. So planning out what you're going to be spending will help get rid of that unhealthy habit. And another sign would be being constantly financially stressed, like worrying about how much money you may be having for the future, even just how to pay for simple stuff in the moment. If you're constantly financially stressed, then it's most likely because you have some unhealthy spending habits beforehand. And I'd say for people who are working and going to school, if you're living paycheck to paycheck, meaning like rarely saving your money, if you're like, I'd say waiting for your next paycheck in order to make even a minor financial purchase, then it's most likely that you're not practicing healthy spending habits, because if you're earning, then you should be spending less than you are. So yeah, living paycheck to paycheck would also be a really unhealthy one.
And our last question is, before making a major financial decision, what questions should students ask themselves?
For me, before I make a major financial decision, it's always the first question of how much of a need is this decision. Like, usually my biggest financial decision would be like an expensive concert ticket, or an item, I would say, but usually I first ask myself to what degree do I really need this purchase, and then I also do not make it immediately. I once I have the idea, I'd say like I sleep on it for a couple days beforehand to really think it over, and if I still have the notion to make that decision to spend financially, then it would be. I just say give yourself time before spending a lot of money on something. And another question that you should ask yourself is like what effects will spending this large amount of money have on other costs that may be upcoming afterwards, and that also will help assess whether or not you really should be spending that amount at that moment.
Thank you guys for the panel.